Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with safety and the first actionable move. Unplug the machine and lift the presser foot. This releases thread tension. Next, turn the handwheel toward you until the needle is at its highest point. This aligns parts for removal. Make sure you already have the correct needle type and size. Use 90/14 for medium weight fabric, so you won't stall midway. Once done, position strong lighting and a small tray for screws. These steps prevent dropped parts and speed the change. Now you remove the old needle. Loosen the needle clamp screw or lift the lever, turn or move just enough to release the shaft. Grip the needle near the top and pull straight downward. Do not twist or angle, because that can bend the shaft or damage the clamp. If it's stuck, use needle nose pliers with a cloth for grip. Once out, inspect the clamp interior and needle eye for burrs or fragments. Cleaning here prevents skipped stitches when you install the new one. Insert the new needle with the flat shank facing the rear of the machine. Push it up firmly until it stops, so the shoulder seats correctly. Tighten the clamp screw or lower the lever securely, then lower the presser foot and rethread the needle if you lifted thread. Once done, test sew on scrap fabric at slow speed. Watch for needle strikes or skipped stitches. If you hear a clicking noise or see skipped stitches, recheck needle orientation and seating. Make sure the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.